Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Solayer token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Solayer is a high performance hardware accelerated layer 1 blockchain that evolved from a restaking platform on Solana, aiming to deliver extreme scalability for real-time financial applications. Evolved from restaking, it begins as the first restaking platform on Solana, allowing users to earn additional yield on staked Sol. In Fini SVM architecture, its core is a hardware accelerated blockchain targeting over 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality. Layer token utility. The layer token serves as the network governance instrument and is designed for future use in gas fees and network security. Solayer project institution rating is 4.5. Solayer token total supplies around 999.99 million and circulating supplies around 447.08 million. Layer token. Layer token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.